You're not gonna get the best video going down. We're gonna get stuck behind this car here in a second. Oh, let me turn up my traction control.
Turn off?
Yeah.
Oh.
That shit is what kills you up here.
Yeah, I need to turn mine off.
Well, don't turn it off if you don't really know the mountains very well.
Okay, no, I don't know the mountains very well.
Everyone's killing it today. I love it.
Facts.
Well, it's the shitty part about blood.
It's
A lot
like
of times we'll go to slow vehicle pull-offs.
Yeah.
They don't do it.
It's like, come on, man, move. You hear this? You hear
this? Yeah, like I'm already going fast enough. You don't need to go faster.
Right. You hear this freaking jet behind you? Like, come on, man.
Yeah, like that was a pull-off right there. They didn't go. Ooh, we got a blue Camaro with us now. Okay.
Yeah, he's ripping it. I saw him coming up.
Traffic. He's like, I'm going fast, guys. I'm doing 30 miles an hour. I need 2 lanes.
In all fairness, he's probably feeling like he's about to flip over in that thing. That thing has no stabilization in G.
Nope.
Zero.
And it's high up too.
Dude. Bad idea to bring a Jeep on this. Yeah, they should have turned off. There's nobody behind us.
Yeah, cold weather, cold tires. I can't downshift a second. So I downshifted a second earlier going down. I was in front of Kimmy.
Yeah.
There was this fucking Suburban in front of us that was going like 10 fucking miles an hour. He wouldn't pull over. I went to go around him. I almost went off the fucking mountain. I lost traction.
Are you serious?
I like a quarter throttle just to go around him. I went completely sideways.
Oh my god.
I was probably about 60 degrees sideways.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah.
All about composure though. If I was to freak out, I would have went straight down.
Yeah. That's terrifying, bro. That's terrifying.
It's a good time up here. I love it.
Right. Especially, I don't know, it doesn't seem too crowded today either, so.
No, I mean, it's cold, it's Sunday. Saturdays are usually when it's the most crowded up here.
Yeah.
But Sundays, especially when it's cold, be a lot less people.
Oh yeah.
More tourists than anything.
That kind of sucks though, a little bit. Low key.
Going up's always fun because you got 2 lanes.
Yeah.
Until you get stuck behind a fucking Nissan Altima that needs to go through all 2 lanes of traffic.
Right.
Like, I'm fast, guys.
I'm fast. Look at me.
I got about 140 horsepower at the wheel. Woo! Alright, we'll talk in a bit.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Did you feel loose traction right there?
A little bit, yeah. Yeah, I can feel it.
Just stay in third, baby. That way I don't have too much torque.
Exactly. Oh yeah, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it.
Alright, inside lane now. traction for shit.
Yeah, I feel that. She's kicking. Oh, seatbelt thing.
Hell yeah,
Yeah.
baby. That was a good run.
That was good. Did you stay in third the whole time?
I did, yeah.
Oh my god.
I normally go second, third, but
Yeah.
with these cold ass tires, cold ass weather,